The frequency of oil changes follows the frequency of maintenance intervals. For more details, see the maintenance instructions for your system. Oil should always be changed when the system is at operating temperature. First, unscrew the plastic cap of the oil filler neck on the crankcase. Take out the oil drain screw on the crankcase or, if applicable, the cap of the oil drain tube located on the frame or body. Collect the oil in a suitable vessel. When the oil is completely drained, replace the seal and replace the screw plug. Now change the oil filter. To do this, use an SW13 spanner to loosen the screws and remove the cap containing the filter. Separate the filter from the rubber seal and insert a new filter element with the order number N25326 into the filter. Then insert new O-rings into the cap, replace the cap and tighten it. For compressor blocks IK120 and IK12.14. Unscrew the oil side glass and clean the inside of the glass. Check the seal, then replace the glass, applying a torque rating of 10 nanometers. Now fill the system with fresh oil up to the maximum mark on the oil side glass. Wait a few minutes before restarting the system. For more information, see the operating manual for your BAUER compressor.